or 3/8 inch quick connects. That just got me all soaked. What's up everybody, my name is Phil. Welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make helpful detailing videos. So today's video, we're going to be installing a new pressure washer gun. So guys, I needed to upgrade my pressure washer gun. This one here that I've had for, man, a few years now, it still works, but the trigger is starting to stick. And when that happens, you don't want that to happen in the middle of your job, and it sticks and stops to work. So we're going to replace it, which, by the way, I did get a new 50-foot pressure washer hose, which I will have all the links to these things down below. I also needed to get a new one of these because the end here was starting to corrode and rust out where it inputs into the hose reel. So I needed a new hose, and now I got a new gun. Now there's something cool about this new gun. It actually has a swivel end here. So hopefully when it's actually running, you'll be able to twist the gun around, and that can be helpful because if you're whipping the cord around and you're maybe going around the vehicle trying to wash it and rinse it, sometimes it ends up, you know, not getting kinked, but kind of getting in the way and kind of getting rolled up. So hopefully this will alleviate that. Now the great thing about this gun, this set me back about 40 bucks. It doesn't have the long nozzle, which I'm okay with, but it does have the really nice quick connect here with the plastic sleeve around it, which makes it really nice to, you know, pull back to be able to put in the tips, which it actually comes with all of these tips. So you have a new white tip here, which is the 40 degree. So now with this nice quick connect, easy quick connect with that tip. Now the other thing is, it's hard to find a pressure washer gun or wand with the correct fittings. Now I have the 3/8 inch quick connects, and this comes with them. It actually comes with 3 different types that screw into the end here, and actually comes with a little bit of Teflon tape also. So with these two ends here that screw into the bottom of the gun, like so. So this one is for your more traditional pressure washer hoses, and not the quick connects, but the ones that you actually screw onto the end here, and it actually will plunge into the center here and seal everything. And there's actually 2 different sizes here as well. So that I don't need, but it does come with the 3/8 quick connect, the male quick connect. So now what we're going to do is just Teflon tape it really quick, and you want to do that with all of these quick connect ends anyway, because you want a nice seal, you don't want anything to leak. So let's just do that quickly. Pretty straightforward, where you wrap the end here just a few times around. You don't have to go too crazy. Then it will go into the end of your gun here. So I'll have some tools that I'll tighten everything up here. But now also this came loose here, which is nice because if you need to switch out your quick connects or put an extension wand on here, you can do that with no problem. So these come off. So let's wrap this in Teflon as well. And now we will screw that back onto the gun. Let me go get some tools and we'll tighten everything up. I don't have the best tools here to do this, but I'm going to go with what I have. I can do what I need to do, tighten everything up. So we're looking good. I'll put everything away here, and then we will pull out the pressure washer hose and give it a test run. So everything connects perfectly, and this does twist. So we're going to test that and make sure that when the pressure washer is on, this actually turns, which is cool. I turn the pressure on. Alright guys, this was a great purchase. I'm very, very happy with this gun, and I really like the fact that when the pressure washer is on, this still swivels. So whatever magic they put into this little swivel here, it works really, really well. Everything actually turns freely, which is nice. So if the cord gets, starts to get coiled up because you're twisting around the vehicle, this will easily solve that problem. So the gun feels really, really solid, really nice, and hopefully this will get me the next few years. So for 40 bucks, not bad. It comes with all the tips, so all brand new tips. Comes with all the fittings that you need, at least here in the US. It doesn't come with any of the European fittings or the ones that fit the Karcher or the other pressure washers. These are pretty generalized. Usually it is either 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch quick connects. That just got me all soaked. And yep. Okay. Anyway, 3/8 quick connects. Good to go. And another good tip is, after a few weeks, when you notice that these maybe aren't pulling back as easy, just shoot it up with WD-40 or white lithium grease. I prefer white lithium grease because it's a little bit more water resistant, and it will make sure that those ball bearings in there are greased up, and you can pull everything back easy and quick connect everything easily. And I don't do this as often as I should, but with the pressure washer hose and the reel, it is good to drain the water out. And you can purchase some pressure washer line and pump. I guess it's kind of like a cleaner fluid, or if you're not going to use it for a while, it preserves all of the plungers and all the working bits inside there so nothing rusts. And that's good to do if you're not going to use it for a while, but we're using it so regularly that I really don't find the need to do that. But I might be doing that on this pump soon, because it's going to be, man, maybe almost 2 years, and it's probably good to kind of do that to this pump anyway, because it greases up all the plungers and all the workings inside of that pump. So that's probably a good idea to do. I may have a video on that later when I do that. So guys, definitely check out the pressure washer gun if you are in the market for a pressure washer gun for your mobile detailing setup, or just pressure washing in general. I know this is not top of the line if you're doing a professional power washing business, but on a budget, perfect for me, and it works. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with this, and we'll see how long this lasts. And this will be perfect for the foam cannon as well, because I do like to use the foam cannon. So there's my foam cannon, and I like the control that you have with this little short gun and not having a lance. I'm actually not really a fan of the long lances. I like the control of a kind of a short snub nose pressure washer gun. So yeah, this is really nice, and I might need to actually switch this piece out soon, but everything fits in here really, really nice. And if you're wondering, this is AM Bubbles soap in here that I was using today. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it with others who may enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week, and you don't miss stuff. And again guys, if you're interested in any of the stuff here, the gun, the hose, also the hose reel. I love this 50-foot hose reel. It's very affordable also. Then check out the links down below. Goes to Amazon. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys stay safe. Have a great week.